Can we start this video off by admiring how cute Nala's little toes are? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope that you will stick around and join me for future videos. And if you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, especially if you like videos like these, because I do a lot of sustainable thrifting types of videos and I hope that you will stay around to enjoy them. Also, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up before you head out. And anyway, yeah, thank you so much for joining me. So today I am going to be talking about all the plastic-free switches I made in August. I've done a few videos like this before. I've done my Blueland. I got the like starter kit, I guess is the best way to say it, which comes with all the different cleaners, the multi-purpose spray, the glass spray, the bathroom cleaner, and a hand soap. So I've done a video on that, and now I have some new switches as we are slowly, what we're basically doing is as we're running out of products, we're switching to plastic-free or more sustainable alternatives. So these are the ones that we did for the month of August. I don't know how many more we'll be doing because we are moving in February. So we just have a lot of stuff we need to get rid of before we can make some switches to some other products. But I'm really excited to share with you guys the things that I switched over to this month because I think it could be really helpful to you guys, a little product review for these. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the first ones. So the first ones that we got were the Blueland dish soap and the Blueland dishwasher tablets is how you say them. So we ran out of dish soap, so I wanted to get this, but it was cheaper to get the 2-pack, and I knew I wanted to get the dishwasher tablets soon anyway. I still have quite a bit of regular dishwasher tablets, like in plastic packaging and stuff, that I need to use up, but I used one of these yesterday just to test it out for this video, and I think that they clean the dishes great. I've really been liking how the dishes come out. This is what the tablets look like. So they're completely plastic free, like there's no wrapping on the outside of them, and they're really tiny, but they come in this really adorable blue box, which I mean, under my kitchen sink, this just looks adorable. You could leave it on top of your counters as well, and it just looks so cute. So this is the dishwasher tablets. I really like those. And then the dish soap, so it's a little bit different. Most of their products come in like a little tablet which you drop into water and then it turns into a cleaner or into a hand soap or something of that nature. But this one comes in a powder, and I'm not sure about it yet. From the product reviews I read, they said that it takes a little while to get it used to because it is made from powder, and I'm used to like liquid dish soap, so I do feel like it cleans the dishes really well, but it is powder, so I'm still trying to figure out like how to get the most use out of it, like how to get it sudsy, if that's the right way to say it. But I am happy that I made the switch. I do like this container. It's like kind of like a silicone-y type of container, so it's really nice and soft. And I am happy I made the switch because it does work pretty well. I'm just still getting used to how to use it. So my mom got us this because she wanted to test them out. So we switched out our laundry detergent. So right now we are trying the True Earth. I will be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of these. I don't like the way that they smell, and I don't think that they have any like smelling types on their website. So this is how the laundry detergent comes. It's in these strips, which I do really like. I just wish that it made the clothes smell nice because they kind of come out smelling like a little bit like chlorine is the best way to describe it. So I think what I'm gonna try is Drops next, because Drops gets a lot of really good reviews. So I think I'll get that once we run out of these. Because I just like my clothes smelling nice when they come out of the washing machine. And Drops is also sustainable, and Drops also has the wool dryer balls, which I also really want to try because I've been seeing that a lot of people really enjoy those. So I'll probably do Drops next. But for now, the True Earth isn't bad. It's just not like my favorite thing ever, I guess is the best way to describe it. I do like how small it is, that I can literally, this is literally it, so it fits really well into my like washing machine closet. But as far as the scent goes, I'm not like incredibly huge fan. Toilet paper. So we switched to real toilet paper this month, and I really love the packaging. I did so much research when it comes to toilet paper because I knew I wanted to switch to a more sustainable packaging, and there are so many options in the market, like Who Gives a Crap, Tushy, Real, I don't know, there's so many that you can choose from. And so I found a YouTuber, I'll have her name right here because I can't think of it right now, but I found her channel and she does a lot of sustainable reviews, and she did one all about toilet paper. She did one separately for each brand of toilet paper she tried, and then she did a video all together comparing them all. And that's how I decided I wanted to go with Real. Real is really nice. They donate to charity with each box that you buy of toilet paper. It's not like the softest toilet paper ever. It's not like Charmin, but it is pretty soft. I'm used to using recycled toilet paper, so this is not very different for me, and I like it. And I appreciate that they give back to charity. I think they give toilets to communities that need them for better hygiene, and it just feels good that their packaging is sustainable, and I'm also giving back to people in need, and it also is really nice toilet paper, and it's made out of bamboo as well, which I appreciate. So I like Real. I'm excited to try more, and I might try like some other toilet paper brands as well, just to compare and see which ones I like best. I ordered these from Amazon, and of course I'll have everything linked in the description box below. So I got these. Ta-da! They are reusable produce bags, and I'm really happy that I got these because my husband and I are eating healthier right now, which means we eat a lot of fruits and veggies. So we've been buying a lot of fruits and veggies in plastic, and I just feel like I'm wasting them so much. I do try, if I need to use the plastic bags, I try to reuse them by picking up my dog's waste with the plastic bags, but I'm really happy that I switched over to these mesh ones because I feel like it's gonna help the environment so much, because just those bags add up so much over time. So I'm really happy about these. They are so nice, and they're so big, and like you can fit so much in here, and they are very sturdy, and it has like a drawstring on top. And I think that these are really nice for farmers markets as well, or like buying things in bulk, because I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but the holes are so small. Like there's practically like no holes, if you can see that. So I like that because you could put like probably rice in here, beans, all kinds of things if you like buying in bulk. And also what I really like about these is you can wash them. So you can throw them in the washing machine, especially right now during like coronavirus. We want to be safe, so these are really good because you can take them home and wash them after the grocery store without wasting anything and with staying safe. So I'm really excited about these. I haven't tried them very much because Blake's been going to the grocery store for us. But I am excited to have them. And also the next place that we move, they have a farmer's market that we really love, which I'm going to be sharing soon where we're moving. But yeah, I'm really excited to take these to the farmer's market and buy a lot of produce from local vendors and help the environment. So yeah, reusable produce bags, I'm loving them. The last item that I switched this month was dun, 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 dun. I switched to the Saalt Menstrual cup, and trust me, you don't want to eat this thing. Oh, she's scared of it. Okay, it's okay. I'm gonna put it back in the bag so my dog does not freak out. So the Saalt Menstrual cup was something I was terrified of trying, like absolutely terrified. And my friend Backpack Barb, she did a review on her channel about the Saalt Menstrual cup, and I was super intrigued because I've been hearing about menstrual cups for so long, but I was very scared of trying them because I honestly am not like the biggest tampon wearer. I'm more of a pad wearer because it's just very uncomfortable for me. So I was really scared. I also have a lot of problems in my vaginal area because I have a torn pelvis muscle, I think is the right way to say it. I don't know. It happened a while back, and I had to go to physical therapy and all that stuff to rework those muscles down there. So anyway, long story short, I was really terrified to use it, but I knew that it was going to save me so much money over time. I knew that it is the most sustainable way to help the environment with your period. Probably this and like period underwear is probably like the best sustainable options, I feel like. And so I basically was on my period and I was running out of pads. So I went to the store and I saw the menstrual cup and I was like, ugh, I should probably just bite the bullet and get it. And I was terrified, like I was so terrified to get it. But I got it and I can honestly say that I love it so much. I'm so happy that I got this and that Backpack Barbs talked me into it. Sent her a message asking her like so many questions about it, like how do you sleep in them, how do you clean them, etc, etc, and she was so kind and answered all of my questions. I was considering the Flex Cup because the Flex Cup has a little pull thing that helps like pull it out a little bit easier, because the hardest part for me about using this is pulling it out, but I think over time it's probably going to get easier. Putting it in is super easy to me. You just fold it in half and then fold it in half again, so it looks like that. You can do other ways too. They have like descriptions in like the pack, and then you kind of just stick it up like a tampon. And it definitely, I don't know if I would recommend it for like people who are just getting their period, because you kind of have to get comfortable with that area first, because you do kind of have to like, I'm sorry if there's any gentlemen listening because my husband does not like when I talk about this, but you do kind of have to reach in there and take it out. It's not like a tampon where the string is hanging down. You kind of have to get comfortable with your body and learn the best way to pull it out. Ladies, if you are interested in trying it, my best recommendation for getting it out is you kind of have to learn how to use your vaginal muscles to push it out, and it's honestly not as hard as it sounds once you get used to it. And I really love it because you can wear it all day long, and then when you are in the shower you can just take it out, dump it, clean it out, and then put it back in for your nighttime. And I really love it. I haven't had any leaks with it. I'm still learning a little bit how to use it, like taking it out and putting it in a little bit easier, but I've honestly found it easier to use than a tampon, and I really like it. So if you guys are interested in a more in-depth video, you can check out Backpack Barb's video. I'll have it linked down below. And if you really want to know more, I'll also be happy to film a video about using the menstrual cup as well if you guys are interested, so let me know in the comments down below. I also went with the Saalt brand because like I said, I was thinking about the Flex because it has the pull tab which breaks the seal. Because basically how the menstrual cup works is when it's in your vagina, it basically like seals onto the wall of the vaginal canal, and then like the blood just basically goes in here, and that's how it protects from leaks because it's completely sealed on around the edges. So when you pull it out, you kind of have to like break the seal, which means that you do have to kind of reach in there to break it. You can't really pull this down because it's going to be stuck. So you kind of do have to like reach in, break it, and then it slides out super easily. And the Flex Cup, it has a pull tab, so when you pull it, it breaks the seal. And I was thinking about getting that one because I figured it might be easier, but the Saalt Cup does give period care to a girl in need with every purchase, so I just felt like I could do the extra little step of reaching it and breaking the seal, so that another girl could get period care with my purchase. So that's why I went with Saalt, but there's so many other menstrual cups out there. If you do your research and are interested in trying it, I have really liked it so far, and I'm really excited because this was $30 and it's supposed to last an average of 10 years. So I'm excited to see how long it lasts and how much money I save, because I probably spend about $15 to $20 a month on pads and tampons. So yay, I'm really excited about this. Anyway guys, that is all of my plastic-free swaps for the month of August. If you guys are interested in more of these videos, let me know in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, if you are into sustainable videos and thrifting and things of that nature, eco-friendly videos, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. I have some exciting eco-friendly videos coming for the holidays, so be sure, you don't want to miss that, to hit the subscribe button down below. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I will see you on Thursday with a new vlog. Bye guys!